Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let me show you how to transfer money using the simple mobile app in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's just jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is to log into a simple mobile app using your email address and your password. So go ahead and open up the mobile app and log in with your email address and password. Next, you're going to click on the transfer button that's in the bottom navigation bar. So go there and click on transfer, and then you're going to select the transfer method, such as transfer to another simple user, or it could be transfer to an external bank account. So whatever method you want to use, just go ahead and select that, and then you're going to need to enter the transfer amount. And once that's done, you're going to go on to enter the recipient's information. So you're going to put the information in, such as their email address or their bank account number. Just go ahead and put that in. And once it's in, you're going to confirm the transfer by reviewing the details just to make sure that everything is correct and accurate. And then if it is, go ahead and click confirm. And once you click confirm, Simple is going to take care of the rest and sort that transfer out for you. That's pretty much it on how to transfer money using the simple mobile app in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.